Most creators focus so much on posting content that they forget one thing. Where are your followers actually going when they click your link? If your link just drops them into a crowded feed or an empty page with no clear direction, chances are they'll scroll right back out. That's why learning how to build a landing page that converts lurkers into OnlyFans subscribers is one of the smartest moves you can make. A landing page acts like a welcome mat and a map. It tells people who you are, what you offer, and why they should stick around and subscribe. Think of it like this. Your content brings the traffic, but your landing page tells the traffic where to go, what to do, and why to care. Without it, you're leaving money, subs, and loyalty on the table. So let me walk you through how to build a high-converting landing page, step by step, that turns curious lurkers into real paying fans. Step 1 is clarity over clutter. Most landing pages fail because they try to do too much. Instead of 10 buttons and 5 bios, focus on one clear goal, getting people to subscribe. That means your headline should say exactly what they'll get. Try something like join my VIP fan club for daily exclusive content, custom drops, and behind-the-scenes access. Make it easy to skim and easy to understand in under 5 seconds. Use large text, clear buttons, and don't make people hump for the link. Step 2 is visual branding. Use one strong photo of you that matches your vibe. Not just your hottest shot, but your most on-brand one. If you're playful, use something flirty and bright. If you're mysterious, use something moody and artistic. Keep your colors, fonts, and vibe consistent with your feed so it feels seamless. When your page feels polished and personal, people trust you more, and that trust turns into subs. Step 3 is build in social proof. This can be light. You don't need to brag, but a small line like over 1,000 happy fans and counting or top-rated creator with weekly custom content goes a long way. If you've been featured in a publication, interviewed, or run a popular Reddit thread, include that too. Even a few screenshots of compliments from fans or thank you messages can make your page feel more legit. Step 4 is focus on benefits, not features. Don't just say new pics every week. Instead, say get first access to spicy shoots before anyone else sees them. Don't just list things. Show how they make the fans' experience better. People don't subscribe because of what you offer. They subscribe because of how what you offer makes them feel. Step 5 is build in urgency and exclusivity. Phrases like limited time drop, exclusive to subscribers, or only available this week help create action. You want your landing page to make someone think, if I don't subscribe now, I'll miss out. If everything feels permanent, fans will wait, and waiting fans usually disappear. Step 6 is smart link placement. Your subscribe button should be above the fold, meaning it shows up before someone scrolls. It should be big, bold, and clear. Underneath, include it again after a few testimonials or a content preview. Don't just say click here, say unlock my exclusive content now or join for access today. Words matter, and buttons guide behavior. Step 7 is video or voice hooks. If you're comfortable, adding a short 30-second intro video or voice recording saying, hey, this is what you'll get as a subscriber massively boosts conversion. Keep it casual, on-brand, and authentic. Talk directly to the viewer. Say something like, if you're curious, here's your chance to see the real me, unfiltered, daily, and way more fun than Instagram. Step 8 is tiered offers or custom bonuses. If you offer a freebie like a teaser photo pack or a subscriber-only Telegram invite, mention that clearly. Something like subscribe today and I'll DM you my star bundle. Free for new fans works wonders. If you run promotions, flash sales, or loyalty gifts, put them here too. Step 9 is opt-in capture. This is next level, but powerful. Add an email sign up or Telegram join button before your link, so even if someone isn't ready to subscribe, you can follow up. You now own that traffic and can message them when new content drops. This turns your page into a funnel, not a dead end. Step 10 is use a reliable landing page builder. I recommend tools like Koji, Card, Beacons, or even Linktree Pro with customization. These platforms let you drag and drop, style your page, track link clicks, and even A/B test what layout gets the most conversions. No need to code, no need to stress. Bonus tip, track your data weekly. Use tools like Bitly or built-in analytics to see what's working. Did your new headline increase clicks? Did your fans engage more after you added your video? Small tweaks create big results. A good landing page is never finished. It's always evolving with your brand. Now for a quick laugh before we wrap. One time I forgot to update my landing page for 3 months, and it still said Halloween sale now live in the middle of February. One fan messaged me, is this the longest Halloween ever, or are you just super into pumpkins? Learn from my mistake. Keep it fresh. If this gave you new ways to turn curious viewers into real subscribers, hit that like it's a tip jar. Subscribe for more strategy that actually works. Share this with a creator friend who's still linking to a blank profile, and binge watch another video to keep building your brand a smart way. And if you want help building a custom landing page that fits your voice, your offers, and your goals, book a call with me, join our school community, or get my consulting services. I'll help you turn your clicks into consistent cash. See you on the next one.